Good morning, everyone. It's our day 2 here at Radisson Blu Hotel at Resort. This spa is a very bright and sunny day in the morning. We are off to. This is the view, everyone, of the beach, the pool. Yeah. Enjoying life to the fullest. We are going to some of the islands of Malta. We're going to Gozo and Comino Island. Everyone. Oh, so exciting! Exciting. Yes. The hotel is very beautiful. It's a lovely 5-star hotel. I'm enjoying my life here today in Valletta, Malta.
Panawang I don't care about me.
Yes. Yes. See you later, everyone. Have a lovely Monday. From me, Arlene.